Mantagasni MLA ke Jirang ba Sosthenes Sotun harangkat Deputy Commissioner Jongari Boy District harangkat baru Superintendent Police lalek ya sessionong Maikhuli langsam yang so jong paidbah hak gede bak jingeh hak gede sessionong hak ni tindatsni baladem hak ni gasni nagalen paidbah yang senang kelapan sengaja khidmat MLA jongki harangkan kejingdan lang ki officer napo Riboy district bat nagaliang jong MLA betha ya deputy commissioner bon ai dag jong jor shau ban nagaliang jong unra ya kini jingeh bagi paidbah ki ndo hakte ke senang sha menteri rang ba ke jylla ukonrat ke sangma.
We have listened to the reports which you very unfortunate incident of our lady from our own lady from here from Maikhuli, and for this act we should condemn. And I would like to request also, because touching somebody's clothes, it's an act of unlawful, so we have to file an FIR against anybody who disrespect a lady or any person. So we came here because we respect our own people, and our own people, Maikhuli, they are peace-loving people. As the reports we have given, the Purna Herman or Henep, what reports you have given, you respect the Assam people, you respect Hamluka administration, you respect our administration, you respect the Assam administration. Whatever you are doing diligently. So we fully support with you, but we also at the same time, we don't want to encourage you to take the law in your own hands. I know that because we have the administration. I know that you never do that until and unless some of the circumstances which tempted to, and we have to request our own people to, as you are, be peace-loving people. And all these issues regarding the fishery pond, and then we have had the committees, regional committees regarding the border issue, resolving of the border issues also. And this fishery pond never come into the discussion because we fully know that Maikhuli pond, it is within Maikhuli. It is within Maikhuli. So we never discussed in that committee. But unfortunately, from nowhere it comes the word of Murmuri weed. So we are all in touch with the Purna headman also, with the previous headman. We are all in touch regarding the graveyard. And I would like to thank the people of Maikhuli, the village Dobra as a whole, for your initiatives, because you go by the law. You are denied the land and then you file to court. So this is the way, that the right way which we are doing. So for all these issues which you have the incident which happened in the last 2-3 days, the last Monday. So for these issues, I, as the local MLA, and I'm requesting our deputy commissioner also to write a written complaint. Written complaint means to our own government. And then from my part also, I will raise this issue, because we have to together we have to raise this issue to the government, so that the people of Maikhuli will not face any problem residing here in the borders.
staying there, no? From Monday. There. Yesterday is sit there. Grace. Grace sang. Grace. 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 Para mo,